Hi my dear pharma friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. In this channel we are going to provide regular job updates. So in today's video, Life Infusion Pharmaceutical Private Limited. This company manufactures IV fluids, large volume parenterals located in Kerala. Looking for production manager, QC managers, microbiologist, maintenance engineer, electrician, boiler operator, HVAC operator, water system operator, ISBM operator, sterilizer operator, packing machine operator, storekeeper, and HR manager. If you are interested, you can send your CV to the info@of lifeinfusionpharma.com. So these are the details, my dear friends, regarding the vacancy from this company. So the location is KSIDC Industrial Estate, Kerala. So you can check in detail the qualification: B Pharm, MSc, BSc, and B Pharm, MSc or BSc. So you can see FDA approved in LVP manufacturing is required for some positions. Please check them thoroughly and utilize the opportunity. Thank you for watching, my dear friends. See you in the next video. Please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, help us reach more people.